Hello, myself Amit Wagila. Today we participate in this Power Summit, Energy Efficient Summit. We Power Bill Private Limited. We manufacture the gearboxes and gear motors, which use in different industries like pharma industries, power industries, cement industries. In most of every industry, use the gearboxes and gear motors. We have we introduced the new hoist gearboxes, new planetary gearboxes in our range. We cater almost all industries for transmission products. We introduce new product variable frequency drive also in our portfolio. Every year I think we participate in this because this is one of the platform which you can use for exhibiting your different new product range, and it is largely benefiting to the organization. This is first day only, so it is okay. But I think second and third day it will be good only. Thank you.